Today, a vehicle came in with a feedback that the vehicle fails to power up. We first step on the brake to check the power-up status. As you can see, the power-up indicator doesn't come on. The ready light isn't on, which means the vehicle fails to power up. Now we connect the device to the vehicle to read the fault codes. We turn on the ignition switch, take out the THINKCAR device to perform a diagnosis. First, conduct a system diagnosis. Check what fault codes these are. The first one is BLS brake switch fault. This is a current fault. It reports this BCS brake fault. Let's check if there are any others. Brake pedal invalid. We first check this BCS. Read the BCS. Enter the system directly. Check the fault codes. Brake switch fault. Let's check a data stream. Step on the brake switch. This data does not move. The brake pedal status also shows not pressed. But you can see we have stepped on the brake, but this data does not change. Now we measure the voltage of the brake switch. The multimeter is connected. Start measuring whether there is power at the brake white switch connector. You can see the multimeter shows 11.6 volts, 11.8 volts. There is power. This indicates the circuit is normal. Now plug the connector back in and test again. Check if the rear brake lights light up. Now have someone step on the brake to check if the brake lights light up. The brake lights light up. Release. The brake lights stay on. Step again. Release. This confirms the brake light switch is faulty. Remove the brake light switch and test its continuity. We have removed the brake light switch. Now we measure its continuity. Then measure our new switch. You can see the new one is conductive. It is obvious that these two pins inside are oxidized. Confirmed it is damaged. Install the new switch. After installation, press the brake. The brake lights are now off. They were stuck on before. Release. Step. Release. Step. Now press the brake switch to power up the vehicle. Read the fault codes. The fault codes are gone. Next, check the data stream to confirm if the problem is resolved. Then you can see the brake pedal status shows not pressed. The digital data module brake light switch shows not braking. Step on the brake directly. Braking. Pressed. Released. Pressed. Released. The fault is resolved. Now check if the vehicle can power up. Step on the brake, then press the ignition switch. You can see the ready light is on. The problem is resolved.